The future value is one of the financial functions of Excel, which calculates the future value of an investment based on a constant interest rate.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
You can use the future value with periodic and constant payments or payment of a single amount as well. So, in this example, we will verify it with the case here. So, here I have the investment data, values, and information. Here I have my initial deposit, my monthly deposit, the number of periods, and the interest rate. Here, then, the future value calculates the total value of the investment, and here, based on the initial deposit and monthly until the recovery period. So, it is very important that when you are doing a financial function of Excel, and mainly, that everything is formatted correctly. For example, here I am dealing with the period with 24, which is a 2-year reference, so it has to be in months. And here, mainly, if I am using a monthly rate, I need the period to be monthly as well. So, it could not be, for example, 2, because it is a 2-year reference, it has to be 24. And here, since it is formatted with a monthly rate, it has to be in months, or put everything in annual. But in this case, it is better to leave it formatted. So let's go. FV. Here it asks me what is the rate, this one, what is the period number, this one, and here, what is the payment. As I am paying the value, I put negative and select this value. Here again negative because I am paying this value. Here it asks me if I want it at the beginning or at the end of the period. It is at the end, so it is 0. And close the parentheses. So, the future value, based on this information, is 18,014.56. Notice the importance of putting a negative value, for example, here, and it would already be in a negative value and give the result. So, it is very important to put a negative value in these values here when dealing with deposits which are withdrawn from the cash.